Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Vite React app and how you can install Tailwind version 4. And also I'll show you how you can fix the Tailwind Intellisense auto suggestion issue. First, I'll create a Vite React project. So for that I'll open the terminal. Let's go to the desktop and create a project. For that I'll run this command npm create Vite at latest. So it will ask for the project name. So I'll give Tailwind V4. Select the React and JavaScript. So our project is created. So let's open it in our VScode. And now I'll install the Tailwind CSS version 4. For that I'll open the Chrome and search for Vite Tailwind. I'll click the first link and follow these instructions. So here you see using Vite, we need to install these two packages, Tailwind CSS and Tailwind CSS /Vite. So just open the terminal here and let's paste it and hit enter. It will take some time to install these two packages. So by that time I'll do the other configuration. So it says in the Vite config we need to import this Tailwind CSS and put it in our plugins. So let's do it. And here after the React we'll put and save. And in the CSS only we have to, in the src domain, let's remove all the boilerplate CSS and just paste it. And also I'll remove the app CSS codes. And last we need to put the link tag inside the index HTML file. Let's add it. And here instead of styles.css I'll use index.css. So let's bring up the server npm run dev. Let's open it. So let's check the Tailwind version 4 is installed or not. So I'll remove all the boilerplate codes. Let's remove this one and also all the codes. Let's put a p tag. Tailwind version 4. So let's use some classes. Text red 500. So the Tailwind version 4 is successfully installed. So the problem which people are facing, even I also face, so I found the solution. So I thought let's share the solution so it would be helpful for others. So when you hover right, you are not getting any suggestion and you already have installed the Tailwind Intellisense. This extension is already installed, but still I'm not getting the any suggestions. Whenever I'm trying to add some padding, it's not giving the suggestion. So in order to fix this issue, it says, I'll show you the configuration. So it says, so you need to have the Tailwind config file in your root of the project, then only it will work. But in the version 4, the Tailwind people, they have removed it. So to fix this one, you need to go to the settings and search for Tailwind Intellisense. And here search for the settings.json file. Okay, you need to point, then the Tailwind version 4, whatever the configuration we do, we are just doing it inside this index.css file. So you need to put the path of that file. So it is under the src and index.css. Let's save it and now check. So we are getting the suggestion. Let's add some padding. See, all the things are working fine now. Let's put padding 6. It's working fine. So if you find the video is helpful, then please like the video and put a comment, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe.